Uh-oh. What's gonna happen, Jace?
Nothing's happening.
That's weird. Nothing. Jace! Where did you go?
Jace's turn Playhouse. Don't forget to hit the red button. Hi, it's Jace.
Hi, guys. Jace, what are we playing today?
We're playing Don't Choose Wrong Button Challenge!
I'm so excited to play.
I'm more exciting than you.
You're more excited than me?
Yeah.
Well, I'm pretty excited to play Don't Choose the Wrong Button Challenge. Are you ready to start round one?
Yeah.
All right, rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to choose the button first. Ready?
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Scissors, cut, paper. What are you going to pick first, Jace?
I'm going to pick green.
Ooh, you got lucky there. Okay, it's my turn. I'm going to pick red. Wish me luck. All right, Jace, it's your turn.
Okay, I'm going to pick yellow.
You're lucky. I guess that leaves blue. This isn't looking very good for me, is it? I chose the wrong button. What's going to happen to me, Jace?
I don't know.
I don't know either. I'm so nervous. It's raining ball pitballs! I don't like that. I am not going to choose the wrong button next time. Are you ready for round two?
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So, rock beats scissors. I get to go, and I'm going to pick blue. Phew. Your turn.
Okay. I pick...
Good choice, Jace. Okay, it's my turn again. I'm nervous. I'm going to pick yellow. Yay! Good luck, Jace.
Okay.
Uh-oh. What's going to happen, Jace?
Nothing's happening.
That's weird. Nothing. Jace! Where did you go?
I'm right here, Mom.
Jace, you're not right here. I don't see you.
No, I'm actually right here.
That's so strange. I feel Jace, but I don't see Jace. How do I get you back?
Well, maybe using a wand.
A magic wand?
Yeah.
That's a great idea. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Jace. I found a magic wand, but what do I do now?
Say abracadabra.
Okay. Wish me luck. Abracadabra! Jace, it worked! Welcome back. I was so scared that you were gone. I missed you. Are you ready for round three? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Scissors, cut, paper. So you win, Jace. All right, you get to pick the first button. Good luck.
Okay.
Don't disappear on me again.
Okay.
Good choice. It's my turn. I wonder if I'll disappear when I hit green. Am I still here?
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, good luck, Jace. You're next.
Okay.
Lucky. Oh, no. That must mean yellow is not that great. Let's see.
Uh-oh. Mom? Mom? Mommy, I know what to do. Unpause!
Oh my goodness. Thank you, Jace. What in the world? That's a crazy button. Thank you for unpausing me. High five. Are you ready for round four?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Scissors, cut, paper. All right, good luck.
Okay.
Uh-oh, jeez.
Uh-oh.
I wonder what's happening to you for picking the wrong button. Uh-oh! It's raining confetti, Jace! It's raining confetti! Uh-oh! I guess because you hit the wrong red button, it was raining pink confetti. How do you feel, Jace? Silly?
Yes.
Yes. Good job.
Hey, it went under my... It went into my belly.
Uh-oh. So, Jace, this was a fun challenge, but I lost 2 rounds and you lost 2 rounds. How are we going to decide who the winner is?
I have an idea.
Is that your idea?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! You know what this is, guys? This is Oops Scoops. Oops Scoops is a game where you take turns stacking ice cream, and the person who makes the stack fall loses. So Jace and Mom are gonna play Oops Scoops to see who is the winner. Jace goes first because he's youngest. I'm gonna turn on this ice cream cone, and Jace, good luck stacking.
Okay.
All right, spin the spinner and see how many scoops you get to stack.
2.
Good luck, Jace. 2 scoops. 1. Whoa, that's really wiggling. And 2. Good job. Ooh, okay, Mom's turn. There's a spinner right on the handle. And Mom got 2 scoops. I'm going to go with pink ice cream because Mom loves pink.
It's not going to work there. Go!
And I'm going to go with yellow because that looks pretty.
Yeah.
Ooh, I got it to stack. All right, Jace, your turn.
Okay. I got 1.
1 scoop. What are you going to pick? You going with chocolate, Jace?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice work. Uh-oh. This is getting really, really wobbly. Mom got 2 scoops. Uh-oh. This is not looking very good. Ah! Oh, no. Jace, you are the Oops Scoop champion. High five.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the red button. JTP